Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by picking a public repository and a clear linking plan so search engines and users find value. Set goals for which pages you want to boost. Once chosen, open the README or a documentation file and draft concise anchor text that matches search intent. Make sure to use descriptive phrases, not generic terms, because anchors communicate context. Then commit a simple change to test link behavior and visibility. This first commit confirms permissions, and that links render correctly on GitHub's Markdown renderer. Next, implement backlinks across multiple GitHub surfaces to amplify signals and accessibility. You should add absolute URLs in README files, docs folder pages, wikis, and explanatory comments on issues or pull requests. Absolute links ensure consistency. Once done, use consistent anchor text and consider UTM parameters for analytics so you can measure traffic. Make sure to cross-link between related repos inside your organization. Linking to a canonical resource increases relevance. Also, finally, commit and push all changes, then verify links render on the repo view and on GitHub pages. Rendering differences can affect visibility. Once live, track referrals and indexing for a few weeks to confirm impact and refine anchors as needed. If something breaks, inspect Markdown syntax, the branch you published, and file paths. Wrong branch or a missing file is a common culprit. If permissions hide content, make the repo public or adjust collaborators. For persistent issues, revert recent commits and reapply changes step by step.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.